So hello everyone, today I am going to tell about a new website. So here you see this website name is 9g .net guys. So here you can see I will teach you if you deposit any amount, so you complete your order. So first of all you and earn a lot of money. So I will explain you later in this video. So my request is that please watch this video completely last, then you can understand how this platform will be work and you make money. So first of all you have to sign up. You can, my links will be just click or click video description if you have guys, if you have the registration link in here you can see you have to a link and address and just click guys, and I am enter and just click, and you can see, and my website is open, and process guys is a very simple registration. Just put information like email id and user id guys, create username, create password, confirm password, invitation code, link in description guys, enter your mobile number, verification code, and guys finally register. Tap on register guys. So guys I may sign up complete, then tap in login guys. You can see your account is enter in the home page, and so you can see if you details and some details and latest announcement also here can deposits and withdrawals, and guys you complete your orders, and my orders guys 35 daily orders level 1 and 30 entry limited and commission rate 0.3. So guys another business also you need deposit some recharge in your account. So company profile you can check all details guys. Here you can see N9 and Korean, and this is an amazing website guys. I am talking about promotion rewarded also available. You level 1 levels 16 and 18 14% available. Also it is amazing because this situation are very critical because I am already beginner tutorial also available, and now you can check, and invitation code link in description guys. Copy my link and copy just copy and save QR code and refer your earn, and just starting your earning, and financial tutorial also available. You can check my total asset 300 USDT and financial total profit yesterday ending and balance, and 1 day, 10 day, 20 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days also available. And just you click and your orders and my order not more, so just click your order and grab completely, and just automatic complete grab your starting, and 4 3 2 1 so start, and online shopping also available, and today's achievements and just submitted, and total orders 106.4 and commission 0.31, and estimated returns also available, orders complete, and you can see guys this is the amazing website, and 42561, and now you can check all details guys. Orders commission 1 order complete and balance available, and देख सकते हैं you can see 0.6%, and amazing website guys. You can see complete your orders and 35 orders minimum guys, 35 orders, and withdraw your money every day and per day, and guys amazing website. I may complete so guys this is my last order, and 34 complete, and now complete by this you can check my 34 complete order, total commission 10, and now finally 35 orders complete and not available others orders. You can see you receive a message. Finally you have a complete order, please upgrade your amount. So you upgrade your another level. So guys Long.my, so you another option you enter your details, and guys total commission 10 USDT 0.61 and available balance 300 USDT, and 35 order completes, cancel not cancel, and now orders you check my complete orders and pending order complete and cancel orders. So guys so it is a great completely, and you can check my orders full way and totals. Online service available, customer service also available. You contact any problem doubt related for any question you ask. You deposit withdrawals also available, and deposit top up next, and 30 USDT minimum, and 1 lakh USDT maximum invest, and you just fill your details and then confirm, and finally and enter your amount, and just top up your completely, then withdrawals, and fill your details, and personal information also available guys. Order records also available. You can I may just login, sign up, and team report first levels and other levels. So you can spend and save your copy link, and just scan deposit withdrawals available, and rewarded also available. You can check basic tax rate 6%, high tax rate 20%, and team commission introduced and 60%, 8%, 4% downline level 1, level 2 to 9Z monthly salary. You can check USDT in USDT 58,800 888, and you can get rewarded 50 USDT also available. So guys, it is an amazing website. I hope you enjoy this video, and user commission also available. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. It is my proof, and you can see my USDT and 900 for 14 USDT complete, and now 1000 and 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000. It is amazing, guys. You can see my team deposit also level, team bonus and team withdrawals, first time deposit and first level sales comes, guys, also available. You can check proof this company. It is a amazing website, and enter downline 1, downline 3, downline 1, 2, 3. So first of all, you refer, earn more, earn, and deposit, withdrawals complete available, guys, on this website. So I'm very impressed.
I swear, even in my sleep, I hear it like the memory of everything we used.
और भी कोई